to install custom indicator or activate standard indicators. As previously explained, custom indicators are indicators that you made by yourself. You customize it based on some features or what you want to achieve from the trading. While the standard indicators are those indicators that are built in the platform. So every MT4, MT5 trading platform comes with built-in indicators, and those are called standard indicators. Now, to activate those indicators, you come to the navigator section of the platform and you expand by clicking here. Now, as we have various types of indicators as explained, however, I will still make it known here. We have trend indicators. Those are indicators that identify trends. We have the oscillators. We have the volume indicators. We have as many as they are. These are all indicators depending on what you want to achieve from the market. So to activate any of these indicators, assuming you want to activate the trend identifying indicator, now you just come to the indicators. As I said, this you can minimize here or you can expand here, and this is the trend indicators. We have this, we have Bollinger Bands, as many as they are. So to activate, you just double click on it. Here it is. You can see now once you say okay, these are the parameters you can set based on what or whose instruction you are following, but this is default. And when you click OK, you see the Bollinger Band is telling you the trend is downward, but at this point is about going up. I don't need to explain this, but this is just to tell you how to activate any of the standard indicators. If you want to remove it, just right click then and go to indicators list, click on it. Now Bollinger Band, you click on it and delete it. Close. Sorry, you right click, indicators list, this is the Bollinger Band. You click on the Bollinger Band and you delete. Close. It leaves the chart plain. This is exactly how to activate any of the indicators you want to use. Now, what of custom indicators? Custom indicators are designed or created by programmers for you. They come in folder. So when the programmer delivers it in a folder form, how do you bring it in here? This is exactly what you do. Go to the files, and when you go to the files, you go to open data folder. You click on data folder. When you click on data folder, it's loading. Fine. This is what you have. Come to configuration, right? Yes. When you come to configuration, no, not configuration, sorry. You go to MQL4. Yes. Now, at this point, you can see indicators. Click on the indicators. Now it's open. So what do? You drag that file and put in here. It's as simple as that. Once you drag the folder, because custom indicators comes in folder form, so you drag it from your wherever you put it, either on your desktop or download, wherever you keep it, and you drag it into this particular opening or terminal. It will automatically appear at this point. That is how to install custom indicators. So it's as simple as that. With that, I believe you can activate or install any custom indicator of your choice. Thank you for watching.